Big difference, huh? From yesterday and today. Today's a little warm.
Can you see our vegetable washing sink here? It's very covered. We're supposed to be planting in this in 2 weeks.
Fluffy now.
Farming is always about making adjustments when things don't quite go how you want. So we've had a lot of trouble this winter. We've never had trouble in the past, but these there's so much weight on these fence lines, it's pulling in the corner post.
All right, enjoy the view.
Jose, don't walk up on that roof.
It is a roof here? I thought it was only...
You thought it was just a big snowbank?
Uh-huh.
Wow. Big drifts.
Yep.
Jose has his snowshoes on, but I unfortunately left my snowshoes at Uncle Harry's because usually we only use snowshoes when well, Jose wears his more often, but I usually only wear mine during sapping, so I left them at Harry's house. And Harry won't drive over here to bring them to me, which is weird. But they even shut plows down yesterday. They wouldn't even let the plows out on the roads because they were so bad. So now, though, I think everybody's back up and running. We haven't been plowed yet. Did you go out and check the road?
Oh, it looks like a little clear.
It's pretty clear?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah.
I think it's enough to drive.
Yeah, Jose's going to head over to a neighbor's today to plow them out.
Yep.
And then he's going to plow us out, which this driveway, how deep do you think it is?
Oof,
4
maybe
feet?
4 feet.
Yeah, there's going to be a lot of snow being moved around this morning.
Yeah.
We'll have to clear all this out, clear around the high tunnels. The high tunnels luckily aren't too bad.
No.
No, we're going to walk out right now and take a look. It's chilly out here this morning, but not like it was yesterday. Look, Mom, no jackets.
Yay!
Yay! The other thing I wanted to call out this morning, as long as we're calling out people, is Betsy. Where is Betsy? She does not live up here. She's only up here during the warmer months, which, lucky for her, she's not here right now. But it's time. We need to get some seeds in the ground. If you know Betsy,
call her.
Yeah, Mahaley, I don't know if you're watching our videos, but you call up Betsy, tell her to get back here. I know you like to keep her down there, but we want her back up here. So, okay, that's all the calling out I'm going to do this morning. We are now going to head out and check out the high tunnels and just see how much snow we got out there. Was that your attempt to run in snowshoes?
Huh?
Was that your attempt to run in snowshoes? Wow. I'm afraid I won't be running. My feet are sinking way deeper than Jose's. Luckily yesterday we made a path out here, and so the snow's at least packed down a little bit, but I'm still sinking about 1.5 feet down. Hey, can you see our vegetable washing sink here? It's very covered.
You ready?
I'm ready. You going downhill? I don't think I'll be able to do that with my boots.
Oh.
You take the camera while I come down. Oh.
Yeah, you're going down.
Wow. Okay.
Is your mama?
Here I come. Ready?
Yay! Nope.
Anticlimactic. All right.
Come on, Upper. Yeah, that's a good Upper.
We just want to record on video how deep the snow is here in this hoop house. We're supposed to be planting in this in 2 weeks. I'd say there's close to 5 feet of snow in there.
Wow.
These ones are even deeper way out there, I feel like.
Oh, this has more snow because I've been
No, I know. He definitely has been snow blowing up onto it. Wow. The nice thing is the way the snow drifted is it left this clear. It's very funny how the wind works. Because the front of both of the high tunnels are clear, the snow just blew to here and then like swirled around in here and went over the top. Come on, you want to come in? Go inside. So our plastic held last night.
Yep.
Yeah, we did a double layer of plastic here to try to keep it stronger, and it worked. This other side, though,
it looks like he tried.
Yeah, it's not pretty.
No.
Let's go look.
Not too bad. It's not like a.
It's not real heavy
No.
against there. But speaking of drifting,
Wow.
that's probably close to 10 feet of snow up there. And the other side is clear, so you can just see the way the wind was coming from the north, blowing it over the top and then dropping it on this other side. It's always interesting how the snow floats around.
Yeah.
It's cold in here this morning.
It's a little cold, yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe it's a lot of humidity inside.
Yeah. But, all right, well, let's go check the other one, because the other one is the one we start planting in this week, so we need to make sure that one's up and running. We're supposed to get some warmer days this week, but still the temperatures aren't coming up very much.
Yeah.
For having had 50-degree weather a week ago, now it's down quite a bit.
Well, start tomorrow. We'll see 30s again.
Yeah. Jose says the snow behind this door is like our middles right now, with how much we've been eating this winter. It's like bulging. Wow. It's a good 8 feet of snow right there.
Yeah.
So you can see after Jose cleared these out, it drifted quite a bit, but it's not too bad. Nothing
I
that's...
think this snow pile is gonna be going through August.
You think we'll have snow until we get snow?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because there's a lot of snow here.
Yeah.
And this is the part we don't get enough sun, I think.
Yeah, yeah, because there's no sun in the morning and
Yeah.
none in the evening because of the greenhouses. We're gonna need some really warm temps for this to go away.
Yeah.
Good thing this is our melon planting for the year, so it doesn't get planted until June. Yeah, I just finished the the planting schedule yesterday.
Yay.
Like the full schedule. I had most of it done, but I had to get it put onto the seeding plan, which is a whole nother thing.
It's gonna be melons, you say?
Melons.
Okay. Remember this baby, okay? Maybe in July or September will be have melons.
Yeah, hopefully,
Yeah.
melons. All right. This is also a side he cleared and now is
Yeah.
full of
That's not
snow
too bad.
again. No.
It's not too
Where are you going?
See, hey, what can pluck it now?
Good job.
Come on, Hubert.
Yeah, Jose had this completely plowed out before the snow the other day, so
No,
it's back to bad. Jose's going to check the temperature in here, see what it looks like.
well, maybe not.
What is it?
Let's see, you can see it right now.
It's cold.
Yeah, 24.
24, but that's still not too bad. All right, so, and it would be even warmer if we had covers on things.
Yeah.
It'd be up warmer. So this is the high tunnel we're going to be planting in just maybe a couple of days. Jose has to work these leaves in. I think these 2 beds will be carrots. We weren't going to do 2 beds of carrots in here, but because we're not going to be able to plant outside for a while,
Yeah.
we're probably going to turn one of these into carrots for now. You know, farming is always about making adjustments when things don't quite go how you want. But I don't think we're going to have plastic on some of those hoop houses until end of April.
Yeah.
Which will set us way back on planting.
Well, we'll see. It depend of the weather. Probably could be.
If we get some 50 to 60 degree
Yeah.
days, it'll help. But we still don't have anything near that on the next 10-day schedule, which will put us close to the end of the month. It'll just be interesting. I feel like we're going to be behind. It always works out. Yeah. And people, especially when you have members and they know you work hard, they understand.
Yeah.
We were supposed to deliver on Saturday, but I moved that to next week because now we're way behind. I have to get all those trays seeded. We have to get those trays that are in the germination room planted. Jose's got to get these beds worked. Plus, he has to clear all this snow.
Yeah, it's probably gonna take me the whole day today.
Yeah. Yeah, he's going to be working hard to move snow. Plus, we need to figure out where to put it.
You want some snow?
Yeah, we'll ship it to you for cheap. You just pay the trucking.
Yeah.
We'll ship the snow.
No, I will pay for everything.
Oh, that's nice of you.
Just take it.
Okay. Don't make promises you can't keep on video. Also, did I mention, where's Betsy? I think I mentioned that earlier. We need help. Seeding trays. Onions. We're doing the onions this week.
I don't know if still you can do it on Facebook. You know, do you remember that you
Poke somebody?
on
We'll
Facebook.
start poking her. I don't think she watches social media
No.
too much. She's not as boring as we are. All right. I think everything looks good. We're ready to go. We just needed the temperatures to come up a little bit.
Yeah, tomorrow's gonna be 30, and outside probably here will be a little above.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
Yeah, one sunny day will get us planting
Yeah.
in here. We just need the soil to warm up a little bit.
Yeah,
but
it's gonna be good here, but we need 50 degrees outside.
yeah. I think we could have planted, but we were worried about those super cold temps. It never got as low as they said, but you never know.
Yeah, could be changed.
Yeah. All right. Back to work. Oh, I get to do taxes today.
Oh, good luck. Good luck.
I think I'd rather be plowing snow.
You can do them.
Oh, this one broke right here. This fence. So we've had a lot of trouble this winter. We've never had trouble in the past, but there's so much weight on these fence lines, it's pulling in the corner post and pulling the screws out of this brace over here. So that's a lot of weight pulling on these fence posts. So this summer we're gonna have to reset a lot of these fences.
Yeah, we have this one broken. I think the new one in the corner is broken too.
Yeah, he says several of our corners are broke like that. And we haven't even been out to see most of them. It's just the ones we see all the time. I just want to show the snow on the skid loader. Looks kind of goofy. Almost like a face. Whew, snow everywhere. Everywhere, everywhere.
No.
And you say the road looks clear?
Yeah. Doesn't look like it's clear, but it's clear.
What happened to your snowshoes? Oh, there goes my skid loader face.
Hey,
Okay.
a machine behind this snow.
Oh, what?
A machine.
Oh, there's a skid loader there?
Yeah. Oh, wow.
When we were growing up, my dad had a construction company. My sister and I actually could drive skid loaders before we could drive vehicles. And he called them kid loaders. The sun has actually come out outside. Yay, sun! Hopefully we start getting the sun because we need this snow to melt. I just wanted to show you what I've done here in the germination room because I've been in here watering so much. It's been taking an hour, hour and a half every day to water these big plants. So what I did and thought of as a little hack, we have all these small trays for our microgreens, and we're not doing microgreens right now. So I put all of our 1020s down into these trays, and now I can bottom water, which is making life a lot easier because we only have a small sprayer in here. We're not set up to do heavy watering in here. So now I've just been doing this and letting the plants absorb the water, and it's working really well. I'm very happy. It still takes me a little bit of time every day, but nothing like what I was spending in here. Everything looks so good, though. I cannot wait. I'm actually very excited to get out there and plant. Now, if we could just get the temperatures to come up a little bit. I still have to water all these paper pot trays, though. I don't have anything to set them down into. That's okay. Saves me a lot of work. These are our beautiful salad mixes. One of the things we sell a lot of at market, we don't sell a lot of salad mix, but we sell a ton of bib lettuces, which are just small lettuces. I sell them 3 for $5, and people come to our booth every week just for those. All right, I wanted to show you these peas. The bad part is they're starting to hang on to each other. It's going to make them very hard to plant. Just one more day, little peas, one more day. 2 more days, Thursday, I think. So tomorrow's Wednesday, today's Tuesday, so Thursday is the day we hope to be planting. That's enough for now. I'll be back in here later.
Big difference, huh? From yesterday and today. Today's a little warm, sunny, it's beautiful. So this morning I did it a little bit here. I pushed the snow this morning here. So now it's time to clear the other side of the driveway. This one, I don't know, I will say maybe 4 to 5, maybe 4 feet of snow. It is a lot of snow. All right. The good news, I have heavy equipment to make this job. I hope so anyway. All right, enjoy the view.
All right, from major storm to the sun is out.
Yeah.
And it's actually really nice out here. I saw it's over 55 in this greenhouse. Did you see what those are at?
No, but we can look now.
Yeah.
See.
It's amazing how fast these little high tunnels and hoop houses and greenhouse heat
The first
up.
one is almost 50. The other one, because it's covered with
Yeah.
a little snow, is 41.
Okay, so not too bad.
No.
I think it's nice that the sun came out
Yeah.
today, though. So you have most of the driveway clear now.
Yep.
Obviously, we still have a little work to clear out this greenhouse. But it's nice and warm in there. That snow insulates it really well, so the sun hitting the top of it just warms it right up. And then you were supposed to go over to some neighbors' houses today and dig them out, but the roads haven't been cleared.
No. It's still.
So, can you get from here to the highway?
Yeah.
That's clear.
Yeah.
But these side roads aren't clear.
No.
And he was taking the skid loader over there, and we can't take that out on the main highway. It
No.
doesn't. It's just too. It
Too
would
slow.
take forever to get just across to our neighbor's house if we had to go all the way to the highway
Yeah.
and come back. So none of that. But maybe tomorrow.
Maybe tomorrow. Yeah.
Yeah, I think school is still going to be canceled tomorrow because they don't have these roads cleared
No.
yet.
Plus the school is.
Covered with snow. They're digging out. Everybody's digging out up here. There is snow everywhere. But we're cleaning up.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's been, despite the storm, it's been a good couple of days. I got the taxes almost done today.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
So
That's
yeah.
good.
Yeah. That's a big project off the list. I hate doing it. Next year I'm going to be, well, this year I'm going to be better. That's what I say every year.
Every year. Yeah, I know.
Yep. All right.
All right.
Until the next video.
All right. Thank you.